Hello, this is Gabriel. We're here to talk about recycling your batteries. This is a topic many of you are asking for, so let's dive right in. If you'd like to read and follow along, follow the link in the top right corner of this video to read the blog. First, why recycle your batteries? There are three main reasons. One is to prevent hazardous material from entering the waste stream. This can lead to fires when they're in landfills, and fires are no bueno. Two is to protect yourself from those same hazards. If you just toss your batteries in the trash, it can also lead to a fire. And again, no thank you. Three is to salvage the natural resources that batteries hold. They can be reintroduced into the marketplace through household materials. More on that later. You might be asking, Gabe, how do I know when to recycle my batteries? Here are some signs. Are your batteries dying quicker? Might be time, dude. Are they not pushing the same amount of power as before? Might be time, man. Does it take longer for them to recharge? Might be time, friendo. Have you recharged them about 300 times? Yeah, might be time, maybe. Those are some signals about when it's time to recycle your batteries. So what happens when they are recycled? I am super happy you asked. Batteries have natural resources that can be reused and reintroduced into the marketplace in some household goods. Things like pots and pans, silverware, even golf clubs. Isn't that rad? First they're collected, then they're sorted, then they're processed and recovered. They process the chemicals out of the batteries that can be used. That's when you see some of the recycled products in your home and even on the golf course. If you'd like to read up on more info that I didn't cover in this video, I wrote a blog. In the blog, you're going to read a little bit more useful information on how to recycle your batteries and where you can do that. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I had a great time. I hope you did too. Stay wild.